Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to send a contract via DocuSign in 2025. If you're tired of printing, signing, and scanning documents, DocuSign is your digital hero. It's secure, efficient, and widely used by businesses and individuals alike. By the end of this video, you'll be sending contracts like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a DocuSign account. If you don't, head over to their website and sign up. It's quick and free for basic use. Once you're logged in, click on the New button to start a new envelope, which is basically your document container. Next, upload your contract. This could be a PDF, Word file, or any supported format. DocuSign makes it easy. Just drag and drop or browse your files. Now, add the recipients. Enter their email addresses and specify their roles, like signer or approver. This step ensures everyone gets the right notifications. Here's where it gets fun. Customize the document. Use DocuSign's tools to place signature fields, date boxes, and initials exactly where you need them. You can even add text for instructions to guide your recipients. In 2025, DocuSign has enhanced AI features, so it might suggest optimal placements based on your document type. Pretty cool, right? Once everything looks good, hit send. DocuSign will email the document to your recipients, and they'll sign electronically from their devices. You'll get real-time updates on the status, so you can track progress without playing phone tag. One quick tip. Always double-check for security settings, especially if you're dealing with sensitive info. DocuSign offers encryption and audit trails for peace of mind. There you have it. Sending a contract via DocuSign is straightforward and saves you tons of time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.